show you how you can plant your own food plots without a tractor. If you got an ATV, you can do it. So we're making our own implements. We made our own bush hog, we made our own disc, we made our own cultipacker, we made our own drag. That's everything you need to be able to plant your own food plot back in the woods, up wherever. So I'll kind of show you what we've got here, and then we'll show you what we're gonna do. So there's one side of the food plot, and then we've got our shooting house right in the middle, and then the other side of the food plot. And if you look way down there, you see a feeder. So in Alabama this year, you can bait, you just gotta buy a baiting permit. So we're gonna plant all of this open space with grass. We're gonna bush hog it today, and then we'll come back a couple of days and disc it up. All right, we're back out here. It's been a couple of days since we bush hogged it. Everything looks nice and low and just right. So we got our disc here. So this is one we made, and we're going to show you how we put it to work out here behind this Ranger. It's going to do the deal for sure. We'll get you a few shots of that. But our next step then is to disc this food plot. We're going to disc it, and then we're going to let it sit for a couple of days again, and then we'll come out with a drag and a cultipacker. We'll seed it, fertilize it, drag it, cultipack it, and then pray for rain. So today we're gonna disc it. All right, we got it disc up, nice and good. You see fresh dirt everywhere. That little disc does a good job. All right, so we're getting some rain tonight. We've been in a drought, and they're talking about a drought-busting rain is coming. So what we're out here doing now is we're gonna fertilize it, and we're gonna seed it, and then we're gonna take a drag, and we're gonna drag over it, and then we're gonna use our cultipacker and cultipack it. And that'll have it nice, good soil contact, ready for that rain. So that is the next step in this process. We're gonna get it seeded. All right, so this is what we're putting out. We got some all-purpose fertilizer, Triple 13. Got it from Walmart, $7 a bag, on sale. Got some Throw and Grow Extreme with radish. We've got some Backwood blend, deer seed. It's a tri-blend. It's wheat, oats, and rye. We got some Quick Stand, no-till. Supposed to be pretty shade tolerant, and we're kind of in the shade down here. And we've got ryegrass, rape, and crimson clover. So we're gonna have a big mixture of different things. And now we're fixing to spread this with our hand spreader. All right, we got the seed out, got the fertilizer out. Now what we're gonna do is drag it. This is a drag I built. You can look at it. Basically, it's a frame with some 1/2-inch steel teeth on the bottom. And what happens is this front piece kind of knocks down the humps. This cuts down the rest of the dirt, and then the fence is welded to that, and it just kind of smooths everything out. It's really effective. You guys will see it in just a minute. The last step is to cultipack it. So this is our cultipacker we built. I'm gonna put it on the back of the Ranger and pass over it a couple times, and this will push the soil and the seed together, get good soil to seed contact. So when it rains, the moisture will be much more effective than if you just have it thrown out there on top or in the ruts. This will make sure everything is nice and smooth and compact. It's gonna get us a good firm seed bed, and it's very effective. Homemade cultipacker, doing work on the food plot. Get you some. Seed in, fertilizer in, drug, cultipack, and I will tell you, before I built a cultipacker, I used to just ride the Ranger with a four-wheeler just over and over and over just to make sure everything packed down real good. But cultipacker's the way to go. It saves a lot of time, it gets a lot of weight down on it. It's really good. So the last step is to pray for rain, and it's already sprinkling a little bit. So we've been in a drought, but we heard that we got a good rain coming, so we want to go ahead and get it in. It looks like a good weather pattern of rain, so I think it's going to be good for the food plots. We're hopeful. It's kind of like the story goes about two hard-working farmers. We're in a drought and they both pray for rain. Every day they pray for rain, but only one of them went out and prepared the fields. Which one do you think got the rain? So that's kind of what we're doing with. That's right, the farmer got the rain to prepare the fields. So we're out here preparing the fields, praying for rain, and it's already starting to spring. All right, we're fixing to drive up to this food plot that we planted with only the Ranger, and I can already see down the trail that it's really green. So we're gonna go see if they're eating it, see how it's working. I'll go ahead and show you guys the trail. There's deer tracks all in this ground, but the most encouraging part is that a lot of these pieces of grass are nipped off, so that means they're already eating it. It's coming up and they're eating it. You can see even down in the bottom where it's kind of shaded, and we didn't even use a tractor. All we used was the Ranger and some implements that we made. You can be very effective. Maybe we'll get a video of us shooting a deer on this food plot.